How to approve USDT in Trust Wallet. Now in this video, I'll show you an additional information about the approval of Trust Wallet USDT. So first is of course choose between from the mobile application or via an extension if you're using a web browser on your PC. So this is very easy, but before doing this, make sure that your Trust Wallet account has already been verified by providing your physical ID and uploading it to receive an OTP or one-time password for you to be able to get this approved. Now, for you to have it approved, you must deposit crypto from a centralized exchange. Of course, as usual, select Receive in the home screen of your Trust Wallet dashboard and then search for that specific asset by using the search bar to find your crypto asset you wish to deposit or select from the list of available assets. There's two options where you can deposit, copy or share, or use the deposit from exchange feature. Once you've done this, it will automatically be approved into USDT. And that is how you approve USDT on Trust Wallet.